Did you know that apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world? Here are 5 fascinating facts about these delicious treats. There are over 7,500 different varieties of apples grown worldwide, each with its own unique flavor, texture, and color. Apples are composed of about 25% air, which is why they float. This unique characteristic helps them survive in the wild and makes them perfect for bobbing games. The apple tree is part of the rose family, making it a cousin to beautiful flowers like cherries, peaches, and strawberries. An average apple contains around 80 calories, making it a low-calorie snack packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Typically, apples are harvested in the fall, but thanks to controlled atmosphere storage, you can enjoy fresh apples all year long. So the next time you bite into a crunchy apple, remember these fascinating facts about this beloved fruit.